Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the given problem from GATE exam 2021 computer science question paper. Students, this is very important problem which is related to Mealy machine from digital logic design. Okay, let us read the given problem carefully. Suppose we want to design a synchronous circuit that processes a string of zeros and ones. That is the input sequence which is having string of zeros and ones. Giving a string means the output sequence. It produces another string by replacing the first one in any subsequence of consecutive ones by a zero. Consider the following example. If you feel difficult to understand the concept of the given statement, please observe the given two sequences. The first sequence is input sequence. The second sequence is output sequence. In the input sequence, the string is having zeros and ones. In the output sequence also, it is having zeros and ones, but the output value is equal to 1 when the consecutive values of input bits in the input sequence should be 1, 1. Okay, in the same way, here also the output is 1 when the consecutive two bits are ones. In the same way, here also 1, these two are ones. That means here this one is overlapping, this one is common for this group and this group. That means this is the type of the sequence detector problem with overlapping condition. Okay. So here, what is the sequence to be detected to give the output sequence? 1, 1 is the sequence to detect using the sequence detector. So we have to develop the state diagram to detect the bits 1, 1. Next, a Mealy machine is a state machine. Here, the type of machine we have to use is Mealy machine, where both the next state and the output are functions of the present state and the current input. The above mentioned circuit can be designed as a two-state Mealy machine. So here we have only two states. The states in the Mealy machine can be represented using Boolean values 0 and 1. Two states we have. Okay, because here the number of bits to be detected are 2, so that we have to consider two states in the state diagram. Those states are 0 and 1. We denote the current state, the next incoming bit, and the output bit of the Mealy machine by the variables S, T, B, and Y respectively. Assume the initial state of the Mealy machine is 0. What are the Boolean expressions corresponding to T and Y in terms of S and B? First, we should write the number of bits to be detected. The number of bits to be detected are 1, 1. Okay. Here, these are 2 bits. So that 2 states are required. Those are 0 and 1. Let us assume this 0 as A and 1 as B. Now let us draw the state diagram. In the state diagram, first we should mention that A equal to 0 and B equal to 1. These are two states for the state diagram. Already they have given that A is 0 is the initial state, so that this is the initial state. To develop the state diagram, first we should connect A and B and place, these are 2 bits, 1 and 1. So first we should place 1. Okay, this is the first bit. Only 1 bit we have to place. Okay, and then write the output value. When both bits are detected, then only the output is 1. Otherwise, the output is 0. So the output is here 0. So 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means this is in the form of B by Y. B is the next incoming bit. Y is the output value. If B equal to 1, then A goes to B, capital B. Because this is a single variable, so that it is having two combinations. So B equal to 0 and B equal to 1. When B equal to 0, it goes to self state. Okay, this is always goes to self state and the output is 0. So here for this state B equal to 1, the incoming bit is 1. Okay, so this is the input for this B state. For B, when small b equal to 0, we have to find to which state it will go. So if B equal to 0, then we have to check with the input value. So if both are matched, then it goes to self state. Otherwise, it goes to initial state or reset state. So these two are not matched, so that it goes to initial state. Okay. Then the condition is B is 0 by output 0. Again, we have to check with the B equal to 1. Okay, B is 1 here. So again, I will write here B is 1. Now I will check with the B equal to 1. Okay, now we have to check these two bits. These two are matched each other, so that it goes to self loop. Okay, so this is b by y, which is equal to 1 by 1 now. B equal to 1, then the output is 1, because when two consecutive ones are there, then the output should be 1. So this is the state table. Now, based on this state table, we should develop the Mealy table. Mealy table states that this is the present state. Next, we should write the next state value. Present state means already they have given one variable name S. Next state means this is T. For this present state, already we have two different combinations. The values are 0 and 1. This is A, this is B. Find the next state value. To find the next state value, see the values of B. B equal to 0 and B equal to 1 now. So B equal to 0, the next state value T, which is also equal to S plus. This is the next state value of a present state. Okay, T also equal to S plus. When B equal to 0, A goes to self state only. Therefore, this is A. Value is 0 and the output is 0. Similarly, when B equal to 1, A goes to B. Okay, therefore it is B. Its value is 1 and the output is 0. Okay, similarly, if B is the present state, then if B equal to 0, small b equal to 0, it goes to initial state. Okay, therefore, again it goes to A. Its value is 0 by output is 0. B equal to 1, it goes to self loop. B goes to, therefore, it goes to B. Therefore, its value is 1 by 1. Now, we should modify this Mealy table as a state table. Now, in this state table, we should write it as present state, input, next state, and output. Okay, these are the columns. Present state means yes, input is B. Next state is S plus, which is also equal to T. Output is Y. With the help of this table, just we should rewrite the values. So SB means SB. Okay, S is 0 initially, B is 0. S0, B equal to 1. Similarly, S1, B0, combinations 1, 0. Similarly, 1, 1. Okay. Now, 0, 0 means what is the next state value? Numerator 0. Output denominator is 0. Similarly, next one, this is the 1, 0. Next 0, 0. Next 1, 1. This is the state table. We should write the equation for next state and output. So to get the simplified expression for the next state variable T and output variable Y, use two variable K map. So this is a two variable K map. The inputs are S and B. Here it is 0, 1, 0, 1. 0, 0 means output is 0. So only we have to consider these two ones to get this SOP form. So the equivalent values are, the min-term values are 0, 1, 2, 3. 1 means 1 in the place of 1, we place 1. Next, this is 3. So in the third min-term box also we have to place 1. Okay, now we should make these two as one group. The expression is S plus equal to T equal to S is having 0, 1 because this group lies in these two rows. So S should be neglected. Vertically, it is in only last column. So its value is B equal to 1. That means B is normal form. This is the equation for next state. So T equal to B. Okay. Similarly, we should find the equation for Y. In Y only we have single one. So the SOP product term is both are 1, 1. So that Y equal to this SB. This is the product term. These two are equations for next state and output. Students, this is very, very important problem and very easy problem also. Please listen 2-3 times this video. Then you can do any kind of problems based on Mealy machine. Okay. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel DLT Quest. Thank you.